So as most of you should already know, it's very critical for you to be able to analyze every market accurately. All right, that's basically the cornerstone of your success. That's how we realize success in the market, being able to analyze the market and determine where the market is going. Now, based on VPAS, you guys know VPAS is our visual price action series. That particular training shows us how to analyze each candle to better determine where the market is likely to go. Now, over the last, I'll say 6 weeks, I've been doing Euro USD analysis videos on the Euro USD. And it's been my thing since day one that the Euro USD market will go up. And if you guys would notice over the last couple of days, it's no surprise, it's not ironic, but over the last couple of days, the market has been going up. Matter of fact, all week long, we've been going up, 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 and up. And to be honest with you, it's the movement leading up to this. I'm talking about weeks ago, the market was showing signs of it going up. Let me show you guys exactly where we are right now. That way you can get a better feel for a place of entry, perhaps if you haven't gotten in yet, or you know, what the market may do in the weeks to come. All right, pay attention to this. Since our last video, VPAS video on the Euro USD, the market has gone up. It was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and of course today the market is going up nicely. Now, if you guys remember, I had mentioned in one of the earlier videos that when this market descended, if you notice, the market came to this resistance, came back, did a double top here, and the market started to drop. Everything was going down. Now, if you guys look back, the end of Q1 of 2015 and like Q1 of 2017, this market has been dancing at this level. All right, this is the 104.137 and the 103.327. All right, it's been dancing at this level. All right, dating back, like I said, the end of Q1 2015, and then early Q1 going into Q2 of 2017. Okay, the market moved away from this level. Now, because the market was going down to this area, a place that was common, I expected the market to show signs of rejection. Even on its way down, that I'm anticipating the market to come here and show visible signs of rejection. This candle here is what told me all that I needed to know. I didn't need to necessarily see any of this. I just knew that eventually this market, based on this one candle right here, that this market would eventually go back up. Now, it took some time, and it also danced around, went a little lower, but all of this told me that this market was going to go back up, okay? And you guys can go back, like I said, the end of Q1 2015 up until Q1 of 2017. You can see how the market has been dancing, okay? Now, when this market came down to here and it pulled back, came back up, came back down to the same area, and you see this strong candle right here? When the market when this market decided to come down to here, nearly the same place of the wick, the low of that day, and it did not continue going down, that was a telltale sign of where it was going to go. And the market went back up only to the top of the zone here where the closure was, and then it pretty much danced and went down a little lower. Now, although this candle did drop down lower, I wasn't like, if I was anticipating the market going up and I was trading the market up, I wouldn't have necessarily jumped out, because I still need continuation since the market, it just broke through on one candle. If there was continuation, a second candle, a third candle, then we have a problem. All right, because it broke through and the next candle went back up, dug back into the zone, I knew that, okay, perhaps this is just a fake out area to get people to buy into the lie that it was going to go down. And you can see that the market eventually went back up to the top of the zone, went back down to the same area, did dig a little deeper, but the closure is what I'm concerned about. I don't care about what's going on during the day. I'm worried about what happens at the closure. At the closure, after the gap down, the market closed pretty much where it closed the previous day, and then it went up. Okay, came back down again to retest the same area. Okay, so this right here lets me know that although this is a great zone, there is some major rejection down here. This is the third try, and guess what happened? The market opened down here,
Okay, it could have opened all the way down here, could have opened up here. It opened down here at the same structural place. All right, this is a level that I know that has been pretty much respected. I didn't go back and check, you can check yourself. But for it to open down here, I know this is a guaranteed level. And what happened after that? The market gapped all the way down from here to here, went down some and closed nearly, let's say inside the zone, but nearly where it closed the previous day. Then it came up after 2 days, went back down, did it again, gapped down again, went down a little, nope, it actually gapped down and just went up. So now we can see that these gap downs are getting higher. If that's not a telltale sign, I don't know what it could be for you to realize where this market is going. And what happened after that? The market opened and went up after a week or so and pulled back to my level. And you guys can check every video that I have put out. I had this level here, the 104,137. You go check all of my VPAS videos on the Euro USD dating back a month and a half. You will see that this level has been here all the time, and it came right to my level, and then it gapped down to my level and went up. Another gap down. So this is the third gap down. This is a major one, not so bad, and much smaller. And the market did what? It went up to the same area where we had a bunch of congestion. Okay, same area you see the wicks, but then it went down. Okay, it went down, but then what did it not do? It didn't go lower. Okay, it stayed up here, dug into the zone, and this is what happened after that. All right, Monday it gapped up from down here to closure on Friday, and it gapped up, went up. So I'm gonna tell you, looking back over the last couple, over the last several years, this has been like the high. Like we of course have the all-time high is like 140, and then you have another level, like the mid-level is like 125. So this right here is 111. So it's like the midway point. So this will be, of course, you have areas up in here where the market can run to, but this is like the ultimate resistance level. Okay, so just keep that in mind. We do have some heavy momentum going up, so we have to watch for an overbought market, because anytime there's major movement like this, you can expect and anticipate some kind of pullback to give the market a chance to catch up, take a breather, just to launch higher. All right, just like a slingshot, you pull back, you launch higher. All right, so hopefully this makes sense to you guys. If you guys are running this thing north, congratulations, and hopefully this makes sense, and I'll see you on the next one.
So just I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe, and as always, remember to remain and stay prayed up during the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace and blessings, everyone.